You guys, so yesterday FedEx was supposed to deliver my package and they didn't. So I had to come to FedEx on my own and come pick it up. Bro, so tell me why. I don't know, UPS and FedEx have this habit of like not attempting to deliver the item when they see that the house has no gate code and it has like just a key. They don't attempt to like actually even come to the house to deliver it. So I asked my neighbor, he was like, yeah, he has seen a FedEx truck, but then he didn't even attempt to come and bring it in. So I was like, oh, okay. So I called them and then they were like, oh yeah, so today they're open at 9 to 5, so you could come pick it up today. So here I am at FedEx for me to pick it up on my own. This shit is so annoying because like I paid $15 for you guys to bring it to me. Why am I having to come here on my own? Boo, man, count your fucking days. Count your fucking days. We have made it here. I'm so late. I was supposed to be here by 2 because we're singing, but I'm so late. I have to fix this when I get inside. I would try. I can't even fix it right now. Let me show you guys my full look. Angie, put it for me. So, full outfit. This one I got it from Boohooman. This Boohooman as well. And the shoes, I got them online. My bag. My camera, which Entry's holding right now. My phone. Did I grab my phone? Get my phone, sunscreen, some lip gloss, and these shades that I got from Fitu. It was a collab, and yeah, this is my full look. These white folks' neighborhood. If she runs us over, we'll just take insurance.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, 2 hearts, 1 beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a life.
And memorial that I have taken you to be my lawful wedded wife. Amen.
You are the drivers of the, so make sure that all the getting well and they are getting home safely. Finally, that's my foundation. See? You are the table's captain. You are going to make sure that every member of the table is behaving well and not talking while the MC
Like, what do they
talking.
mean?
And also make sure they all dance what they have to dance. captain of the ship on your table. Give it up for all the table captains. Give it up for them. Find out if they have gotten home safely. And you are checking up on them, making sure if there's nothing wrong with them, and when they came to the bridal, the wedding reception, nothing happened to them. That's your assignment. Give it up for our phone holders. Give it up for our phone. Mr. Ed Mrs.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My camera is shaking a lot, so please bear with me. Well, let me pull this off before. I don't got no money for you, so please get out of my face. And I'm not gonna hit you with the card. I'm sorry, I don't have money. Oh my god, my eyes are burning. I have not had any sleep in the past 24 hours. So yesterday, let me break down my whole run through with you guys yesterday. So yesterday, I went to rehearsal. Yesterday, when I got back from work, I went to bed. I took like 2 hours of a nap. And then right after, is my car okay? Is my car okay? Is that thing strange? When I came back from work, I took like 2 hours nap because I always take 2 hours nap before going to work. This time he said we could come at 11, so like I usually take like a 3-hour nap, but my body just go. He was like, we should come at 11, so I was gonna take a nap till 10, but then my body just automatically woke up at 9. So I was like, okay, fuck it. So I went to FedEx around like 10ish because I was going at like 9:40, and then my neighbor was holding me, just wanted to have a conversation with me. I'm like, oh my god, please just let me go. And then luckily for me, somebody came to pass by. They were working in the house, so somebody came to pass by, and then I was like, I'm sorry, I gotta go, and I dipped off. So I went to FedEx to go pick up my package, and I went to rehearsal. Then right after rehearsal, we're done by like 12:30, 12:45. So right after rehearsal, I came back home. I got dressed, and then I went to the wedding. And then right after the wedding, I came back home. I got like another 2 hours of a nap. Not even 2, 1, because I got home at 8. I was supposed to get home at 7:53, but then there was traffic on the road, so I got home at 8. And then when I got home, I slept around like 8:15, 8:24, and I woke up at 9:05, and then I showered like really quick, and then I went to work. So I barely got like 2 hours and barely 2 hours and 30 minutes of sleep, 45 minutes. And then today, when I came back home, I came and I slept for like, because when I went to work, I couldn't sleep. I asked my coworker that, could I take a nap? And he was like, yeah, that's fine. just park your car and then take a nap. I tried. I couldn't sleep. So with me, if I'm not comfortable with somewhere, I can't sleep. Like regardless, I cannot sleep over there. I tried. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. So I came home. I took a nap, and I was hoping, oh, my body will not like be shutting down when I'm trying to wake up. Bro, tell me why when I was waking up, my body was shutting down. My eyes were closing. Like I was battling to get out of bed today. I was really battling to get out of bed today. I was like, should I text them and tell them, or I can't make it, like something, because today was just, it was just too much for me. Today was honestly like, today was something else. Like it was just too much. Like, and then now I'm going to church. My mom is trying to give me errands to do. She's like, I should bring some stuff to her place first before I go to my place. I'm like, I'm not doing this with you, ma'am. Like, I'm just not doing this with you. So I'm just gonna go to church. Once we're done, like, singing our part, I'll just drive and take the things that my mom wants me to bring to her before, like, yeah, because I'm really exhausted. Today, I'm so tired. Like, my eyes were burning. I was wearing shades. But then I can see that outside is, like, gloomy, so it's kind of a plus for me. So yeah, and today is Black History Month at church, so we're going to do something very like simple. So I also wore something very simple. Honestly, I was going to wear a jeans jacket, but I was like, no, let me just change it. I actually wore the whole outfit that I was going to put on. I was like, no. This actual outfit that I have on right now, it has like pants and shorts, but you know African tailors, they will sew it and then sew it so tight. Mind you, I told this man not to sew it so damn tight, and then he went so damn tight. He's actually one of my friends back in Ghana. He sewed it so tight, and it's like I had no allowance. Well, he did leave like a little allowance on it, but even still, like I've grown big, you know what I mean? Like obviously, when I was leaving the country, I knew I was going to grow big, so I told him to like leave a lot of allowance. And then this actual cloth was from my dad. Like it was from my dad, and my mom gave it to me. And then he sewed it so damn tight. I was like, this is just not it. Like this is just not it. So I'm gonna try and find a tailor to like open it for me. So yesterday I was ranting about how the DJ wasn't playing Ivorian music, and he was playing just hip life and Afro beats, and then he was playing mostly gospel music. But my best friend, I was ranting on my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, you guys should go follow me on Instagram at EK Asari. I need you guys to go follow me like right now. If you guys want juicy deets and juicy like things like that, go follow me on my Instagram, okay guys? No bars. I was ranting and my best friend had seen it, and she was like, oh, because she was on the ushers, so she was around the DJ most of the time, and she was like up and running. And then she was like, oh, the DJ had like a playlist of like Ivorian music and all of that, but then the guy who was getting married was like, oh no, he doesn't want them to play like any secular music because he's a deacon, right? I'm like, bro, consider your audience. Like, don't just consider you, consider your audience too. Like, you know what I mean? I get it, it's your wedding, but sometimes be considerate, you know what I mean? She was like, yeah, they kept messing up his playlist and all that because he's a deacon. So yeah, that's what we're listening to. Most of the tracks they played were gospel, and then a few Coupé de Calais. I think it was just one Coupé de Calais that they played. As soon as he started playing Coupé de Calais, I was in the elevator. I came back. I circled all the way back and I came to dance. He was playing, which song was he even playing? I forgot. I think he was playing Coupe de Matou. Yeah, I think he was playing Coupe de Matou. I rushed back and I came to dance. See, me, I don't play, because listen, I grew up around like Ivorian songs, Togolese songs. Not that many Togolese songs, but as compared to like Ivorian songs, it was most Ivorian songs. So this guy that was behind me, you know, it was a friend saying, oh, let me actually go here. It was somebody who actually, is my tires okay? Because I can feel like my tires are not okay. So I grew up around like Ivorian songs and like those type of songs. So That's what I was listening to. So I was expecting to play at least DJ Mayway. His name is not DJ Mayway, but it's DJ Tasma. I was expecting to play like Mayway. I was expecting to play like Too Fun. I was expecting to play at least Take It a Take. I was expecting to play at least, if not even play something, play Congolese song or play something like. So that's what I was expecting, but I guess that's what the man did not want, so he couldn't play that. But it was, honestly, for me, it was a nice wedding. I just wanted him to play like Kupidikali. That's all I wanted him to do. Alright guys, so I have arrived at church at what time is it? 10:26. I can hear them singing praises, so let's go inside and then go do what we have to do.
Hello, my name is and I'm Kobe Bryant. Everything negative, pressure, challenges is all an opportunity for me to rise. Bye, Kobe Bryant.
Hello, my name is and I'm Barack Obama. Change will not come if we wait for some other time. We are the ones that we've been waiting for. We are the change that we see. Barack Obama.
My name is and I'm Michael Jordan. Obstacles don't have to stop. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it. Run. Jordan.
So we're gonna get started. We're gonna split by the pole right here, this pole. So this is team one. Team one, you ready? Team one? Everybody on this side of the pole. Team one. This side, team two, team two. Oh, team two. Team two, make some noise, team two. Team two, are you here? Okay, team two. So we have team one and we have team two. Hallelujah. All right, so let's get started. I think because our older people are team two, we'll let them go first. So, team two, anybody can pick a category, pick a points, pick anything. Anybody, team two, just shout something out, scream something out.
You can't see.
Famous men, 400. Let's see it. Let's see what we have. Okay. This famous man started the Back to Africa movement. Hey, we got it. 400 points for team two. Let's go, team two. There we go. All right.
Let me check.
Team one, what do we got?
Famous woman 400.
Famous woman 400. Okay, let's see. The first black woman to enter. Mae Jemison, correct. Okay, 400. I like that. Back to team two.
Yeah, they do.
Let's keep it going. What do we got? Team two, anybody?
Black sports.
Oh no.
African history 200. Okay, African history 200. This country in Africa was the hiding place of Joseph, Mary, and Jesus while King Herod killed all the baby boys. Egypt. That's easy, right? That's easy. Egypt. Team one. Oh yeah, this.
Team 1.
Yeah. So what's your black sports? What category? What number?
500.
Wow, Black Sports 500. Okay. What is Jackie Robinson's number?
Yeah.
He asked.
42. That's correct.
Okay. W.
Okay, Team 2. They took the lead, so we need to. Black history for 500. Yeah, okay. Where was the first university in Africa? Where? Alexandria. Ooh, that's not. Oh, that's wrong? Oh, wow, you said that's wrong. Okay.
You
You
look
know
it up.
500.
Wait, someone's Googling it. Let's search it. No, let's search it.
I like that.
Could we go back?
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
It was Beth Morocco.
Hey.
Oh, so the
It was Morocco.
It's okay. We'll give them the points. Next question. Yeah, next question.
Yeah. It's y'all fighting for me.
All right, Team 1, back to you. Anybody?
Can we do famous woman 500?
Famous woman for 500. She was only 12 when she became the first female African-American author published.
Maya Angelou?
No.
Ruby Bridges? No.
No. It's a tough one. All right, Team 2, can you steal this? Team 2. Team 2,
Not somebody
can you
looking
steal
it up on
Anybody
Google.
know? Team 2.
No searching.
Nope. Okay. Can you show the answer? Phyllis Wheatley.
Oh, I knew this. Phyllis Wheatley. It skipped my mind.
Now you know. Okay, so that was Team 1. So now we're back to Team 2. Team 2. African History 400. African History 400. This king is considered the richest African to ever live. That's right. Team 2, I believed in you.
Oh, please.
Okay, Team 1, let's see. What's going on, Team 1? Right here. Black Sports for 400. Black Sports 400. Who was the first African American to win the Masters golf tournament? Yes.
Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods. There we go. Team 2. What do we got? African History 300. They like African history. The first president of Ghana who helped establish the Organization of African Unity. That's it. Yeah, that's right. Team 1, back to you. Team 1.
What is the first what? Literally the first. Who's the first?
Yeah,
the first 400?
the first for 400? Yeah. 400. First for 400. The first African American to hold a seat on the Supreme Court.
Sonia Sotomayor.
What you got?
Oh, Thurgood Marshall.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, Team 2.
All right. I'm learning.
They're catching up. Famous man for 500. Who invented Black History Month in 1976? That's people said it today, so. Oh, people weren't listening. Last chance, Team 2.
Oh my God, you're taking forever.
Right here.
Oh, wait, Team 2.
No. Joel, it took forever.
Yeah, Team 2, yeah!
That's a cheat. You're cheating.
Team 2.
You're cheating.
All right, Team 1.
You're cheating. You gave them too much time.
The first for 500. The first African American millionaire, thanks to her homemade line of hair care products.
Yeah, Madam C.J. Walker.
Madam C.J. Walker, there you go. All right, Team 2. Sports? Black sports for 300. The greatest tennis player of all time who has won 23 Grand Slam titles. Serena Williams. Yeah. Serena
Okay,
Williams.
he's doing way too much for
There you
me.
go. All right, team one. I heard the first for 300. The first black female billionaire. Oprah.
Tyler.
Oprah.
Oh, wait, no, it's female. Okay.
Oprah, yeah, Oprah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this
Team two.
We have to win.
We're getting down to the wire. Team two. Famous woman 300. Okay. As a 6-year-old, she entered an all-white school as a symbol of the civil rights movement and the end of segregation. Yeah, team two. What was that? Correct. Nice. Okay. Team one.
Famous man for 300.
Yeah.
Okay, famous man 300. This African American leader in the civil rights movement.
Malcolm X. Who is Malcolm X?
Correct.
Okay, get your point, get your
All right,
point.
team two. Team two. Famous woman for 200. Famous woman for 200. This woman helped 300 slaves escape to freedom. What? Harriet Tubman! There we go.
It's so rigged.
Team
This
one.
is so rigged.
Black sports.
Black sports for
200.
200.
Gotta get those.
Referred to as the greatest boxer of all time. Muhammad Ali. Okay. You see the score? It's really, really close.
Yeah.
Team two. Famous men for 200. Okay. The inventor butter. Team two. Come on.
Oh, team one is winning. Dude, it's over 10 seconds.
Inventor peanut butter.
It's over 10 seconds.
Okay. Team one. Oh, team two. All right, team one. What do you think? Black sport. Okay, the first for 200. The first black vice president of the United States. Are you sure? Winners. Team one. There we go. Team one. And second place. Team two, second place. Yeah.
Very soon we'll be getting out of here. But before we do the announcement, I want us to give a latest couple in town. They have something to say. And so we'll give them the opportunity. So, dear Mr. and Mrs. You are invited to say something. Amen.
Like, they literally live in a villa.
Living in a villa in Ghana to come to Villa in America. Came to stay with my dad. I was with my mom. He wasn't in the hood though. I can't sleep in the room. Fight another. You don't get that. Good shit everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I had to walk a mile just to take shit. See, you just hung up. You saw me after that.
Literally.
You know them shared.
Ce que Dieu fait, inimaginable. Ce que Dieu fait, personne ne peut le réaliser. Ce que Dieu fait est inimaginable. Ce que Dieu fait, personne ne peut le réaliser. Oui, il nous donne au-delà de ce que est inimaginable. Ce que Dieu fait, personne ne peut le réaliser. Oui, il nous donne au-delà de ce que. Alléluia. Praise the Lord. So the song says, what God What are you wearing today?
Hi, this is a kente outfit from Ghana. Michael Kors watch. An aura ring. And then this is a forever bracelet. Not sure where I got that. Well, I got this from a flea market. And then my shoes are from Zara. Okay, don't zoom in on the shoes.